welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, David Mara, and I am here today with a D's DIY. A D's DIY. A D's DIY. I am rocking my lavender windbreaker jacket. This logo here is a beautiful logo, a logo that I love and cherish for all my life. Some of you may or may not know, but I am a member of Theta Nu Xi Multicultural Sorority Incorporated. It is the only multicultural sorority at the University of Florida. Where are my butterflies at? Theta Nu, one love. So yes, I am a beautiful butterfly of Theta Nu Xi. And on this episode of D's DIY, I'm going to show you how to make something so simple, elaborate. You know, just like a butterfly. Butterflies are very small, yet simple creatures, but their wings have elaborate textures, designs, and colors. Y'all like how I did that? Oh, I am slow. All right. So today I'm going to be making two things. I'm going to show you all how to make a razzle dazzle mason jar. The mason jar can be used for so many things. It can be used as a jewelry holder. It can be used as anything you want it to be used as, a paper clip holder, whatever your heart desire. But I am making this keepsake for some new sisters that are joining my organization, who I'm so proud of, and I want to show them some appreciation by gifting them this cute little goodie bag filled with little knickknacks. I'm also going to decorate a gift bag, but I'm not going to record that process because it's very simple. I'm just going to add a few pictures and I'll throw in what I put in the knickknack bag. But stay tuned. If you are new here, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you like what I did with the mason jars and you want to do something similar, comment below. If you think if you want to add something else, put your own little twist, let me know what you would add. Let's stay involved and get to know each other. As you all can see, I am talking way too much. So let's get into the materials. I'm going to show you all how to make a razzle dazzle mason jar that looks just like this one here. It has a logo on the front and a number at the top. You're going to first start with a plain mason jar. I got this one from Michael's, but you can find it at Walmart. Some super glue, 3D paint. I have it in blue and purple. A Sharpie. You can't really see it. I'm still learning about these things. Some rhinestones. Whoa, whoa. And 2 brushes. Also have acrylic paint. So we're going to start by gluing down our rhinestones to the front. We're going to take the rhinestones. It's quicker if you flip all the ones you're going to be using upside down. Just be careful so it doesn't fall on the surface like you see right here. You're going to grab a rhinestone and you're going to put some glue on the back of it just to secure it. The rhinestones come with a sticky background, but the super glue gives it an extra hold. You're going to glue one at the top. You're going to also glue one at the bottom. Make sure you press it so it's secure. You're going to glue one to the right, glue one to the left. Press it. Press and hold. I use the brush to clean it up. Oh, wait. Oh, Move it up. I have a Sharpie here. I'm going to use that Sharpie to draw the number at the top. And I'm going to be drawing the number 6. Then we're going to take that puffy paint and we're going to outline the 6. The final project will not be shown with this shade of blue. I'm going to actually put some acrylic paint on the top to lighten it up so it can look more like a light blue or a Carolina blue. I'm going to try my best to match it as close as possible. Fill that in. Make sure you don't see any more of the Sharpie outline. You want to make sure it's nice and neat. All right, I'm going to also add some rhinestones to the top as well. I'm just going to put a little bit because you never know how glitter affect people. If it was me, the whole top would be filled with rhinestones because I just love glitter. I love sparkle. That's my MO. To add a little bit more oomph, I'm going to take the purple puffy paint and scatter it on the top. Now y'all be careful because it is wet. Because I take my chalk and I'm writing the logo on the front of the jar. For me, I'm going to draw out the Greek alphabets, theta, nu, and a xi. It can be really faint because you're going to trace over it with paint. But make sure you draw straight lines because you don't want crooked. Uh-oh. So it was at that moment I realized I put my hand on wet paint. So we are going to do take 2. I'm going to retrace the 6 again. I want to redo the whole top because I just wiped everything off. Then we're going to outline the front label with the purple paint. You know what? I'm going to try acrylic paint because I feel like acrylic paint will dry down a little bit better and it will show up. I am outlining the alphabets with the lavender. I'm going to go over it a few times so the color can really pop on that black background. And voila, I am done. Oh, I'm going to put a little lavender dot at the top. I thought I was done. Boom. Here's a final view of my mason jars. I changed the dark purple to a acrylic paint in lavender and I added the blue to a light blue to best fit my sorority colors. I hope you all enjoy. I hope this tutorial helped you all so much. I enjoyed making these razzle dazzle mason jars, and I can't wait to see these young ladies look at them and catch their reaction. I might record it, I'm not sure yet. But anyways, check out your local Michael's, Hobby Lobby, and Dollar Tree, because that's where I get all my craft stuff for the low. Also, if you're a teacher, you get teachers discounts. Hey, all right guys, this is me signing out. I'll talk to you later. Peace.